I'm gonna add on this document a footnote on this way. I wanna share some footnotes like this in the footer of the page of the document. The first step I have to do, for example, I wanna add some explanation about the data, and I wanna select the words, and then I'm gonna press Ctrl Alt F, and automatically there is a number on the footer of the page added. We can add here some words or the additional explanation, and then it will add it automatically. Another way to do the same is selected a word, and we go to View, Insert, and selected footnote. That's the way you can do the same. Bye. If you agree that on YouTube content creators share short and precise videos than a long and boring videos, give a like. Regards.